is a very interesting bug. It's not a ladybug, but it looks like one.
And yet again, we have another cloudy day without rain. I don't know what it is with this place.
And then we have a very hot Jessie. Are you hot?
She nodded.
And this is what I've been working on all week. Don't you love it? It's a picture from, I think it was Sunday or Monday. This is the first part of it that I've already done. I still got to finish the finishing touches on this one. I don't like it anywhere near as good as that one. You can tell it looks crappier. But hopefully I can fix it. I've kind of fixed where this was because the red went all the way up and I didn't notice that it's got to connect with that red. And yeah, and then that's a lamp. That's supposed to be a lamp post. It's not really. That's supposed to, this mountain thing is actually a house, but yeah, I might have to fix this whole thing up. It just doesn't set standards with that one. I like that one a lot better. It's finally raining! Woo! Jessie's allowed up on the patio. Hello. Your foot's gonna be in the vlog. I don't feel like me unless I've got the hair and makeup done. Well, it doesn't look like I've got my hair done, mainly because the back of it's up and my fringe is up because I still haven't got hairspray. But yeah, I feel normal now because I don't like not wearing makeup because I'm ugly and nobody likes me without makeup. They all just want me to conform. No, I just feel more confident with makeup and not so ugly. Oh my god, I'm the epitome of random. Can everyone else safely say that this fan scares the fuck out of them? It's only on 2 and I feel like it's gonna drop and cut my knees off. Don't cut my knees off, look! Ah! No, no, don't cut my knees off. Okay, so I'm just waiting for Mum to get up. She's been working nights the last couple of nights, so she's slept in. It's like, it's good for her to sleep in because she worked all last night and all the night before, and she's working again all tonight. And then tomorrow, yeah, she's got the day off tomorrow, so she doesn't have to work. But we're going into town, which is about 5 minutes away. It's a city, but you know, it's a lot smaller than any of the cities that I've lived in. So I've got to wait for her to do that because we're going to go shopping. I need to grab a couple of things, and yeah, it's been really boring the last couple of days because we've just been sitting at home because it's kind of hard to go somewhere when you don't drive or you can't. There's like no shops around here. It's really boring. Sometimes I just want to bash my head into a wall. Oh look, there's a wall right there. Let's go do that, shall we? Oh wow. I think I'm getting desperate because we still don't have internet. We won't be getting internet until like next time we come up because yeah, internet's expensive. Yeah, so that'll be interesting when I get home. I'll have 2 weeks of YouTube to catch up on, and I'll have to upload and export these 2 vlogs. Yeah. I am so bored. Does anyone not of my viewers have foot fetishes? Hello! So today has basically just been cleaning and doing nothing. I actually got somewhere on the game I've been playing, you know, the impossible game, the first one. I finally got to 100 and I'm up to the epic 10 questions. It took me ages to get there, but I just keep like getting up to the 7th question and failing, so I have to go do them all over again, and it's so annoying. And then later we're having friends over and they've got 2 kids, so I'll be occupied with that. think that's about it.
You just said I've got hail.
Holy shit, man. Isn't this wicked? Man. This is crazy weather. Dark, sunny, dark, sunny.
They get in the front of it, we just got the tail end of it.
Cold. Poor Jessie. It's gonna come over in a couple of seconds. You can see it behind that house. Holy shit! This is gonna make a good vlog. And the zombies come out.